this one pack of lights is okay, these lights are 1.5 meters long. They're very, very, very long. They go all the way in there, all back here, and even over here into the wall. That's the ending of it. That's where it's plugged in at. It's plugged in. So we have lights. We wrapped the lights around twice, and then the ending of it, it just ran, and he just put a nail to secure it. Here, this little switch, go ahead and switch it for me, please. That's how you turn it off and on. It says it's water resistant.
This is not. The switch is not.
Oh, okay.
So your lights can go and get wet, but the switch.
Right. So that's why it's outside. We have this cover here to protect it. We don't get a lot of water here because, you know, it's really closed in, right. So it'll be okay.
I take this up.
Nice. So cute. I like that already. I do. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to share the lights during the day. If you guys are interested, I will link them in the description box below. So here goes the Story Light string lights here. And they're 66 feet. They're 5 watts. And here goes LED lights. And they are water resistant. And they are a warm white, high quality copper wire. So I wanted to share. If I have a discount code, I will link them below for you guys in the description box here. And then we'll get this patio cleaned up. You can't just wiggle it from the root and pull it up from the base. You know, this is probably trash at this point, so I'm gonna get rid of that and just clean up. I have the where did it go? The blower. Okay, so this thing, I went to Family Dollar and found the cheapest thing as possible. He drilled holes in the bottom. You know what? That's okay. That's right. Perfect.
So.
Cord over here, but good enough that this actually works, and I love it. And you may see through the window, I do have curtain lights here. So my curtain lights with these lights is just an amazing vibe. And then once we have the tiki light burning, and this is also a tiki light, it's just like all time summer vibes. Yes. Okay, if I do have a promotion code, definitely check them out. Again, another idea, if this window idea was not going to work, we were going to take this post and just wrap it around because they were so long, and then maybe we would probably have to run the cord over here, but good enough that this actually works, and I love it. And This. So here goes the lights on the window. They look so pretty. Look how romantic that looks there. Here is how they are wrapped around. They're just continuously around. And it's one nail to end it off here. And they are plugged in here. So I'm so excited we were able to clean this patio. I moved some things around. I removed items off of the patio. I've taken that picture down. I think it looks just so much better, just neater. I moved this lady and put her there. She was here. And I just wanted to, you know, switch some things up. We'll see if I keep her there. This wind is so crazy, and so that's why it's a rock on top of her, because she has fell over and broke because of the high winds out here in the mountains. Here is this little table, and I just added this little pillow here. And this plant was sitting actually on top of my, on top of here, but I feel like it was starting to die. It was too hot for it. And so now I just have to clean out and see if it'll do better here. Clean out all of the dead leaves and keep it watered. And maybe it would do better here. I saw this in a catalog and I was like, what a cool idea. So this is a pretty tall candlestick. I think I got this over when I lived in Germany. But it came from like a little decor store, and it's like silver and, you see that silver and gold or brass. It looks so good. I had Dornell to polish it up. And what I did, because it was so, this is exactly how they had it. They took a wine bucket and just placed it on top. So maybe I'll secure it down with some glue, but if not, how cute is this here? So again, this was inspired by the store. It's called Ballard Design. And there it goes. Okay, and then I kept my little tray here. This is like heavy marble. I just wiped down all of these items. This little plant came from IKEA. I had one of these left, so I placed a candle in there. And so this is it, and this has our remotes to control. We have the little LED light on. It controls this ball here. So this is an LED ball. This is water resistant. You could actually I believe you could put it into the pool and all of that, and it's like multicolored. You know, I'm all about lighting, so I love that. This is put your clothing, is a plastic clothing bin. And it was blue, and I'm trying to paint it, so I need to go over it again with another coat of little paint that I had, but it fits well. It was inexpensive. I didn't want to spend a lot of money because we don't have that much time here in this military home. So I just put this pot into this big plastic bin, the first thing I found in the store, and this worked out. It was $5. These are just extra little tables I've been having so many years in all different homes. And I think this is going to be the last trip. I'm going to not take them with them when we move out of here. They'll just be here for now. I think that's it. Our little tiki lights, and then we do have a hummingbird feeder. They do come here and feed. And then this is just decoration. That will be going out the door when we move as well. So anyways, here goes my patio. Let me step back so you can see. Okay, so here goes my cleaned, decluttered patio. I just absolutely love how it's just so clean and simple. So that's the new wave I'm on. Less is more. Less is more.